88 years of the Royal Thai Air Force's greatness. Sovereignty over the skies, strengthened by the power of collaboration. A spectacular aviation showcase, uniting international allies to enhance Thailand's air defense capabilities. DRC proudly supports the real-site deployment of the anti-drone sky defense system at the event, ensuring the security of Thailand's airspace against unauthorized unmanned aircraft intrusions. DRC is honored to collaborate with TAI Thai Aviation Industries in showcasing cutting-edge technology, presenting a comprehensive CUES solution featuring RF detection, jammers, EOIR, radar, and laser for hard kill, delivering advanced air defense against all threats.
Keep eyes on the sky.